Hey everybody, I cannot, oh my God, it's like almost 600 of you guys that are freaking subscribed to your girl's freaking channel. And if you've been following my journey, guys, you know that your girl is setting up her very own candle boutique. I said it. Yes, me and my daughter have came together and we decided to go ahead and open us up a little cute little custom candle and beauty boutique. My daughter does hair. So on this side of the building, she has herself along with another hairstylist, a nail technician, and a lash technician over here. And then I also have my little candle bakery in the back. And then in the front, of course, we have our gallery where people can actually come and pick up their freaking candles instead of coming to my house, right? But guys, I'm super excited. I did not know it was so many of you guys. Thank you for following my candle making journey along with me to show you how to make the perfect wax melt cookies, because I've been getting so many questions about it. I'm probably gonna jump right in. I'm not gonna start from the pattern, guys. I'm gonna start from the texture of the cookies so we can go from there. And if you guys have any questions in the meantime from there, just let me know and we'll kind of piggyback off each other. And remember, we're still learning this candle journey. We're still learning how to make candles together, guys. So if you are a candle maker, don't give up. If you have any questions, I'm here, I'll help. And I also have a bunch of resources. There's a bunch of candle making groups you guys can get into, and they're also help you guys. And I'm gonna post those probably somewhere in the description. And I'm gonna bring you guys right on in so we can jump into making the perfect wax melt cookies. I'm so excited. Come on, guys, let's go. All right, guys, we already have our wax, and what I'm using right now, guys, is soy wax. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve the cookie look with no mold with soy wax. I have brown dye from Virginia Candle Supply, and I also have Nature's Garden cappuccino, I believe this one is. And we're going to try to see how they look with the different browns. I know a lot of us have trouble with the brown colors because the browns don't turn out too good or as we expect, but we're going to play around with the brown color a little bit and see how our cherry almond sugar cookies turn out. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a dye chip because we're going to make cherry almond sugar cookies, guys. And I'm going to put a little bit of brown dye in it, just a little, because I don't want my cookie to be dark brown. I just want it to be a light, pretty brown. All right, guys, we're going to see what color it turned out to. I'm just going to do a little drop. And I think I want it to be a little darker brown, a little more darker, so I'm going to put a little bit more brown in my wax, okay? All right, so it has like a light brown hue, a light brown. I have scissors because I couldn't find my knife, y'all. That's what the dye chips look like. Let me show you guys. Little diamonds from Virginia Candle Supply. It's about 12 ounces. Yeah. See those edges? All right, guys, as you can see, my wax is drying up a little, and I'm just scraping around the edges because I don't want to stir it, because we are not making whipped cream, we are making cookies, so I don't want to mess up the texture of the cookies. And here is a look at once it's halfway there, and this is where you can actually achieve your texture. I like my cookies to have a lot of texture to it, but you don't have to do that with yours. You can make them look like snickerdoodles, you can make them look soft depending on your stir, but we'll play around with it. But I just wanted to show you guys how to get there, because that's what's more important. And I'm just going to put a little bit of red pieces in there because it's cherry almond, and I want it to have those cherry bites popping out of the cookie. Oh my gosh, guys, this is how it's starting to look, and this is the look that I want to achieve, because I want it to look like cookie crumbles, like you have that nice cookie soft look with the cracks and the crumbles on it. So I added just another little bit of the pink wax chops in there, so it can look like you have a little bit of cherry almond inside of the actual cookie, which brought it to a nice pretty pink with the brown, as you can see, guys. And to achieve your cookie with no mold, let me tell you something. This is a trick, y'all. Ball it up in your hand like a ball, like you would make a regular cookie. Now, you might have to get a little old school on them, okay? And then you're going to toss that ball right on the table. It's all in the wrist. I promise you, it's all in the wrist and how you throw it. Look how amazing they look. They look like real freaking cookies. And that's how we want our wax melts to look, especially if we're not using a mold. I'm going to demonstrate one more for you guys. It's all in the toss on how you lay it on the table. Make sure that your surface is flat so you can actually drop your cookie or toss it. And this is the finished look, guys. And one of my signature traits is to drizzle my cookies. I love the drizzle look. You can make your cookies however you want to make them. Go online and get a little bit of inspiration from actual bakers, people that are baking cookies, so you can see how you want your cookies to look. But I'm pleased with how they turned out. They're a little bit darker than I expected, but the pink is beautiful. And in the back, I did a few of the thumbprints as well. If you guys want to know how to do the thumbprint cookies with the gel wax in the middle, comment for me below. Let me know what you guys think, and then we'll go from there. I don't mind sharing ideas. I actually love it, and that's why we created this YouTube channel, so we can show you how to create the perfect candles and the perfect wax melts that look realistic, even if you can't afford a mold. A lot of us starting out, I couldn't afford a mold when I started out, so this is why I chose to make my cookies by hand, and I actually like it way better than pouring it in a mold. Look at that thumbprint cookie, y'all. Wow, freaking amazing. It looks real, it feels real, however it goes in your wax warmer, right? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And if you're following me and you're a candle maker, keep pushing, baby. I'm going to keep loading up ideas for you guys. And I don't care if you use them. When you use them, tag me so I can come through and hype you guys up. This is the finished look of our cherry almond sugar cookies. You guys already know what to do. Subscribe if you want to hear more candle ideas from your girl. If you need more tutorials, leave a comment. Keep pushing, and let's do this, candle makers. Alright, guys, we are melting our cherry almond waxy sugar cookies. The thing I love most about making waxy sugar cookies is making them look exactly like a real cookie, all the way down to the texture. Now we're going to see how they light up a room. You already know what to do, guys. If you like what you see, leave your girl a little motivation by smashing that heart for your girl.